Hello, and welcome to Becoming a Master Designer, a series of short videos describing information design principles and how to apply them to make beautiful documents. Check out our first video for an overview on the Gestalt principles. In this video, we will discuss all things white space. Now you're probably wondering, when we say white space, does that mean leaving blank space intentionally? Why would you want that? And that's a great question. White space, also commonly referred to as negative space, means the empty or blank space around your content that allows your design to breathe by reducing the amount of content someone sees at once. Though this space is called white space, it does not have to be white. It just means the areas that have no content. White space is one of the most essential elements in any form of design. A lack of this negative space will lead to a cluttered and confusing document, which is not something that you want. Using white space effectively helps to make your document look more professional and visually appealing. As well, this space helps to create visual hierarchy by separating elements and content. The consideration and planning of your page layout plays into the white space on a document, as the layout is what determines where the content is or not. It is important to note that there can be too much white space, and this can lead to your document feeling unfinished or too empty. So finding a balance between content and empty space is essential to creating the best document you can.